Yo, morning guys. Hope everyone's feeling good today. Right now I'm at a park called, I think it's called Wautaga Skatepark in North Texas. I'm actually meeting someone here. His screen name's Launch Rampers. He messaged me, said he was going to be in the area for the day, so going to meet up with him and do some skating. A couple of quick updates first though. This Saturday, 6 p.m., best trick contest, 4 down skate park in Dallas. And documentary screening at 7, so if you guys are around, pop in. And I was on the Not Today show. That's a podcast, but with the siblings from The Sopranos, and that came out this morning. So I'll put a link in the description, maybe pin a comment or something. But yeah, you guys should definitely check that out. It was really fun. But yeah, it's been super cold here the past couple of days. Like I don't know. It was it's been almost like a heat wave a couple of days before that. It's like I'm dripping sweat, and then it just on a dime turned, and it's been like 40 degrees and rainy every day. So at least today we got some sun, but it's definitely a little brick out there. But yeah, it's like to just do some skating, so let's get out there. What's up, man? How's it going?
Good, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How's it going?
Super.
What's your actual name?
Mike.
Mike. Chad.
What's up, man? I'm Blake.
Chad, nice to meet you, man. How's it going?
Doing well.
Nice.
I hadn't skated in a couple of months. So,
Yeah?
Yeah, I got old person arthritis shit going
Yeah,
on.
I hear that.
So,
Well, brisk out here, man.
dude, it's a little, it's actually not, it's like any other time you come out when it's cold. After you get moving, it's all right,
Yeah.
but like it's still cold.
Yeah.
On the way up here, I was like, man, like I've been watching your mini ramp shit for so long. Like that's what I skated back in the day too. And like I could never get feebled grinds to go. And so I've got your shit on save, and I watch that all the time. I was like, man, one of these days I want to meet him, and I want to have him watch what I'm doing and fucking tell me what I'm doing wrong.
Oh, it's going down today.
I can't get in him right now. I'm doing nothing. Like I can barely backside truck, so
We'll get there.
I'm gonna try to get
Once
it.
you get the body moving a little bit.
Yeah, we'll see.
So where are you guys from?
Norman, Oklahoma.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Yeah. I think I told you, like anytime I tried to catch you when you were coming across America, I couldn't make it work. I knew you were kind of in and around here, and I was like, I can't make it work. But this time I thought I could.
That's cool. How long have you been skating?
Since '86, somewhere in there. But I took a pretty big break.
Okay.
Like
Since '86. That's
no, well, yeah. But
I'm born in
skated,
'87, so that's.
I skated '86, and then I stopped in like '93. Like everybody pretty much stopped skating around then. You know, like, and then I didn't really get back into it until like mid 2000s somewhere, and then it kind of.
So if you started in '86, you got to be what, like?
Get
50?
53.
53?
Actually, today's my birthday.
Is it?
Yeah. I forgot.
Hey,
Yeah,
happy
53
birthday.
today.
Hell
Yeah,
yeah.
thanks.
That's awesome. Oh, we got to get a feebled today for sure.
Yeah. I'll be alright if I can just get a fit fakey on something.
Yeah,
I'll be
feeble
all right.
fakey. I don't know if this is a mistake, but I gotta try to get back this 5-0 to fakie from the other day. This obstacle looks almost exactly the same as the other one, so let me see if I can get one. That's a good sign. It didn't look too great. Kind of came to a stop, but considering the falls I took the other day, I think I'm gonna walk away with that one.
Dude, that was clean, dude.
Wow.
That was really nice, man.
That was perfect. nice pop into that.
That
was it. Next shot, get it. Yo, hell yeah.
When I first saw you on YouTube, I was like, dude, this is my pivot god right here. Like, and when you, I was telling him too on the way up, another thing that you unlocked for me, like back in the day, like, man, I just used to skate mini, like truck stall, setup, trick, trick, truck stall, trick. I land it, truck stall.
Right.
And then I heard you talking about like trying to learn all the variants of pivots and stuff so that you can
break up the monotony.
They're kind of setup tricks, but they don't look like setup tricks
right.
everywhere else. That's what I've been concentrating on my later years.
You see how grippy that is?
Are you light on your front foot? Are you just kind of holding it there to like kind of balance it more than?
I sit back like this, and this is just kind of guiding it with feebles and Smiths.
Is it out in front of you a little bit? You know how when you get into grind, sometimes you push yourself out in front.
Yeah, I sit back, kind of bend this leg and poke it out. And I almost think about my back foot, almost like a manual, like I'm pressing a little bit. No, back. Yeah. I'll just try 50 first.
Really, honestly, I started filming because like I got hurt like pretty much after I got back. I reconnected with some old homies. Like they built the skate park about 3 years ago right by my house. I was walking by it every day. It's like, I'm gonna start skating.
Yeah.
And I rolled out there one day, and there was a guy I hadn't seen in 30 years, and he was out there, Boomer. And now it's just like a weekend thing with all the old heads and stuff.
That's so awesome.
But yeah,
I love that.
I got hurt pretty much right after that. I tore my meniscus, and so I bought this GoPro just so I could go out and hang out and film.
Nice.
You know, like, so it just kind of turned into this other thing. But I just do shorts on YouTube. I've never done anything.
How's the knee feeling now?
It's all right.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know how much of it's me being old and hurt. You
It's
know,
tough
like
to discern when you get older. Yeah.
But you know, hey, I'm out here. All right, yeah,
cool.
I've never been to this park, so.
Cool. I'll see you guys over there.
All right.
There we go. Round
Start
2.
over again. Like I gotta stretch and warm up again.
Re-warm up.
This park looks pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of cool features. Look at this. Look at this thing. That absolutely needs to get feebled. I think it could make sense. was coping on it, it'd be a different
I
story.
know there's just so little surface area, right? Like,
Only one way to find out. That's intimidating. I just gotta go for it. Oh my god. Ah. Oh my
that was
god.
so weird, dude.
Yo, grinding.
It's like,
Ah. Wow, that was frightening. It was like really hard to time. I think a lot of it was mental, because like it's rounded, so you had to get like exactly where you're gonna lock in, but there's no coping. And even coming in, it felt like I was gonna bail. Like it felt like I moved or grinded when I was locked in. So I wasn't trying to, but we rolled away, so that's all that matters. So I guess that means you gotta stick at this, Josh.
yeah, I gotta do it.
Right here,
Not land on the fucking...
Oh!
Oh, damn it.
Yo!
It's a little bit floppy. I don't care.
Nah, that looked great. That was awesome. Wow. That was sick. Yeah, that was sick. That was clean. Hell yeah. Sheesh. All right, guys, pretty fun day of skating today. Hit a couple of parks, actually pushed harder than I thought. I sat down for a second and got up. I'm like, oh, I'm pretty sore right now. First park, that 5-0 fakie. I don't think I mentioned it earlier, but like, it's crazy how much just like 2 more inches of transition and a little bit of coping makes, you know, because like I did it essentially the first try, I stuck it. So it's just funny that little like slight difference made it so much easier. And then that feeble fakie I was hyped on. That was kind of a mental battle. Couldn't really see from the angle, but I rode up to it a bunch of times and I'm like trying to work up to it. But yeah, fun session. Felt good to get out and push, even though it was a little cold. Yeah, I think that's going to be it for me. I'll see you guys tomorrow.